Having a pool in your own backyard is a great way to entertain and spend time with your family and friends. Owning a pool provides a place to relax and have fun. It's like having your own private resort where every day becomes a vacation and you can escape from the world without ever leaving home. Once you've decided to purchase a pool, it's important to find the right pool.
Viking Pools stands alone as the top manufacturer in the United States for one reason alone: design.
A recognized leader in product innovation, Viking doesn't build a traditional fiberglass pool. Viking builds an advanced composite pool, or ACP. 33% thicker than other fiberglass pools, the ACP product offers outstanding durability and blister protection. Viking's pools are manufactured with a vinyl ester resin formula, which has become the benchmark of the industry, and also features an exclusive ceramic core. Sandwiched between two protective layers of resin and fiberglass, this core enhances the strength of the finished product. With its non-porous gel coat finish, a Viking pool has built-in resistance to the problems associated with unbalanced water chemistry. Therefore, a Viking pool offers considerable savings in chemical costs, electricity, and labor when compared with the upkeep of a concrete or vinyl liner pool. And with Viking's optional self-cleaning feature, even routine maintenance is a breeze. Confident in the quality of its pools, Viking offers an unprecedented lifetime structural warranty. Choosing the style of your pool is the first step in creating your own personal paradise. It's important to choose a pool that suits your lifestyle and backyard needs. Viking offers a wide range of pool shapes, sizes, and depths, and you can choose from popular shapes like rectangle, freeform, kidney, classic, and custom designs. Once you've chosen the style of your new pool, it's now time to select the color and finish. Viking offers its gel coat finish in Whisper White and Viking Blue, or you can choose from the natural beauty of Viking's exclusive Crystite finishes in Granite, Pebble Beach, and Sapphire Blue. Next, it's time to further customize your pool by selecting from options like perimeter and inlaid tile mosaics, fiber optic lighting, soothing water features like cascades and streams, and in-floor cleaning systems to make your pool a hassle-free custom work of art.
There's very little maintenance to the pool every year. We don't have to worry about checking for the cracks in the concrete, and we don't have to worry about replacing liners or worrying about somebody ripping a liner.
No pool is faster or easier to install than a Viking pool.
Viking pools can be installed in as little as 3 to 5 days compared to weeks and months with a vinyl liner or a concrete pool.
All Viking pools come with a complete installation guide to ensure that your pool is installed accurately. Step 1. Planning for the installation. In planning for the installation of a new Viking pool, there are many important considerations that must be evaluated in order to achieve a functional, long-lasting, and aesthetic addition to a home. Before the installation begins, it is important that all building codes are followed. It is also important to consider the location of your new Viking pool and to consider things like foliage, accessibility, and view. Choosing the proper location will enable you to achieve a functional, long-lasting, and aesthetic addition to your home. Step 2. Pool layout. The layout of the pool is marked using the installation guide with household flour or paint. The dimensions are measured to the outside edge of the pool coping, which is approximately 6 inches on all sides. There is a difference of 12 inches between the length and width dimensions in the installation guide and those of the permit plans. Distances between the water's edge to most property lines, electrical lines, and other structures such as houses, garages, sheds, and patios must be exact to plan specifications. The layout of the pool can be made by either marking the outline of a template or by using stakes and string as notated in the installation guide. Step 3. Elevation. Always remember that you want water to run away from the pool. Use the provided installation planning guide to calculate all critical measurements using Form 1. Check the 4 corners of the pool layout with the aid of a transit level or a site level to determine the highest corner. This corner will be used in planning the elevation of the pool. In a typical installation, the elevation of the pool should be 4 to 6 inches above the existing grade around the pool. Step 4. Excavation. Correct excavation of the pool is very important. The excavation should be dug very close to the pool size, with a minimum disturbance to the unexcavated soil which will support the pool. The clearance is approximately 6 inches on the sides and 6 inches on the ends, as indicated in Figure 2 of the installation guide. The depth of the excavation is determined with the use of a transit level and a measuring stick. The bottom of the excavation is overdug 3 to 4 inches. This size pool will require approximately 35 to 45 yards of sand for backfill, but more may be required if the pool is overdug. It can be helpful to give yourself extra room the first 6 inches in width and 12 inches in depth of the hole to get past the coping and allow space for the skimmer and the main drain. Also, keep in mind that the walls of our pools are tapered, usually 1 inch in for every 12 inches in depth. A place for the skimmer must also be dug in the side of the excavation wall. The skimmer cutout should be 2 feet by 2 feet and 3 feet deep as noted in Figure 1 of the installation guide. Viking suggests digging an 18-inch by 18-inch by 8-foot trench across the deep end of the excavation. 6 inches of 1.5-inch rock should be placed in the bottom of the trench. A joint of 3-inch perforated PVC pipe is placed on the rock base and connected to a vertical stand of 8-inch PVC pipe running to the surface of the excavation. The 8-inch PVC should be trimmed with a skimmer ring and lid for aesthetics and safety. After the connection has been made to the vertical stand of 8-inch PVC, finish covering the 3-inch perforated PVC pipe with 1.5-inch to 2-inch rock to the bottom of the excavation. Cover the new sump line with fabric. The bottom of the excavation is now ready for 3 to 4 inches of sand bedding. Step 5. Preparation of the bottom surface of the excavation. The preparation of the excavation bottom is critical so the pool will fit properly. Thorough preparation will eliminate settling and stress cracks, and a minimum of time will be spent setting the pool. First, install 2 by 4-inch screed rails lengthwise on both sides of the excavation using wood or metal stakes as indicated in Figure 3 of the installation guide. Make sure the diagonal measurement is exact to ensure that the bottom is square. Adjust the screed rails to the appropriate height using a transit as noted in Figure 2 of the guide. Next, spread a layer of sand 3 to 4 inches evenly over the bottom of the excavation. Rake the sand flat to the top of the screed rails following Figure 3. Compaction of the sand is achieved by the use of water and walking over the entire bottom using your body for weight. Rake and compact the area several times. Next, screed the bottom of the excavation area, being sure to fill any low spots as you go. The completed area will resemble a slab of finished concrete. Remove the screed rails and fill in the voids with sand.